Kevin Taylor. I'm your friendly local HVAC technician.
And I'm Kyle, your other friendly local HVAC technician.
And today we'll be working on the field piece, STA2 hot wire anemometer.
The induct hot wire anemometer comes in a hard case like this, and if you look inside, it includes a metering device, and then we have a wand, and we also have a nice little cone for you. That is to help stabilize the unit when you put it inside the duct. Anemometer a little bit closer now. As we're taking it out of the case, you can see that you have to assemble it. So you're going to want to take your wand, and the wand actually extends to make it easier to put it in ducts that are a lot larger. And if you look closely on the side of the wand, there's measurements. So you know how far you can put it inside a duct. And on the very tip of the wand, it's got this bigger bubble is the thermometer reading to measure the temperature, and that is a hot wire that will measure the CFM and the airflow across the duct. Alright, we're going to be turning on the induct hot wire anemometer. You just got to press and hold down. We have a 5-second startup period, so you just got to wait for that. And right away, it'll tell you the temperature and the feet per minute. So what you can do, see if it's working, is just blow into the wand. And you see the feet per minute's going up because there's air flowing across. And also the temperature went up quite a bit. It gets my breast a little warm. Well, some of the main functions is to measure temperature, to measure the CFM across the duct. I'll show you guys how we're going to measure the CFM across the duct. So first we're going to want to press the duct button, and that's going to give us dimensions, height, and width. Or we can also do free average, but we're going to want to go with the dimensions. And it's going to ask if it's a round duct or rectangular duct. Right now we have a rectangular duct, so we're going to press enter. Now it's going to ask us how big the duct is. Ours is 16 inches. So you put the dimensions in, and the height is 18. Alright, so now we have the duct size in there, and all that's left to do is stick our probe in. So now we're going to go attach the cone to hold it into the duct. And we're going to want the tip of the anemometer to be in the center of the duct. That's where we get the best reading, most accurate. So we're going to go down on the measurement line to 8 inches because our duct is 16 inches wide. We're going to tighten this down. Now we're ready to put it inside the duct.
So we're going to stick our wand here to the duct. And then that gets you our FPM, which stand for feet per minute. And as you can see, we have this handy dandy magnet here to hold up your anemometer to keep her safe. Alright, and as you can see on the wand here, we have 2 flat ends on the side. And that is for when you're sliding her in and out the duct, it gets a perfect reading to the measuring devices here.
Hey folks, thank you for watching our video. We hope that you learned something, but honestly there's a lot more to learn about the induct hot wire anemometer that we didn't cover. And if you have any more questions, please slide up and comment.
I really hope this video was useful for you and that you understand how to use the anemometer, and slide up in the comments below to answer questions.